This is the video demo for Madeline Tran, CPE 233, Professor Griffin for Assembly Language Program Problem 14.3. So what this one is going to do is going to take an input value and multiply it by 7. But how it's going to do that is it's essentially just going to add the value to itself 7 times, a total of 7 times, and then once it reaches that 7th time, it'll return to the end of it. In the event that a carry is generated, then the value in the register is not valid, so hex FF will be placed in register 10. And if a carry is not generated, then hex 80 is placed in register 10. So when we do that, it'll take in a value, so we'll do 1. So the value that we expect to get at the end of this should be 7. So we'll continue here. And it'll initialize these values, so this will tell it to start at 0, and then this one starts at 7, and will decrement each time it runs through the loop until 0, so it only adds 7 times. So now we're coming here, and it's going to add these. And it will continue through, so it decremented to 6, and it added it, so now it's 2, and now it's on 5, and the value inside is now 3, and it'll keep going until this increment value reaches 0. This is the value that we wanted. 1 times 7 is 7. So since it reached 0, it's going to continue on with the rest of the code and exit the subroutine. When we get a value that will produce a carry, when it tries to perform this function, it'll come down to the not valid since a carry was produced, and 0FF will then be put into register 10 as it is there, and it'll end and continue. And that's it.